everybody, welcome back to Ladies of Lavender. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and like to join the Ladies of Lavender family. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing my period kit from RedDrop. So RedDrop is an organization dedicated to educating young girls about their periods. So I was able to get this package through an organization called Girlspring. And this organization is centered in Birmingham, Alabama, and it basically focuses on empowering girls through articles, writing, poetry, stuff like that. If you're interested in working with the organization or learning more about it, I will link all of their information below. So I got this package and this is what it looks like, and I really like that the packaging is very discreet. It's, you know, it doesn't say like, this is a period kit on the outside. It's very subtle, but also it's really cool. It's actually a bag. This is how it came in the mail. Didn't come in a box or anything like that. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So this is what it looks like. I have not opened this yet, so let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so we opened it, and the first thing that I pulled out is this really little package. It has polka dots on it, and it says Flow Day Protection Red. 14 pads, and I'm assuming that they're really small because this is very, very small compared to my hand. Usually pads are a lot bulkier than this, so I'm interested to see maybe what it looks like. Let's look at it. So this is what one of the pads look like. It's really small, and it says that it has wings, so that's really good. Next, we have this discreet little kit or little bag that you can put all of the products in, and there seems to be something inside. They put a few extra pads just to show you what you're supposed to put inside. It has a few wipes, but then it also has some stickers, which I think is really, really cool. So yeah, and I like this. I think it's a really cute little bag. Because their products so far are really small from what we've seen, this is probably going to be a perfect size for you. So I really like this. Next, these are, I'm assuming, the feminine wipes. So let's look at them. So this is what they look like. They're just a normal wipe size, plant and water-based ingredients, flushable, and no fragrance. So these are, from what I can tell, really good. It's really good to get wipes that do not have a fragrance and that they're flushable, so they're easy to dispose of. And they also come in this really big Ziploc bag. All right, this is probably the biggest package in here. It is Everyday Protection Red. The only thing that I have to say about this company that might not be the most positive is that when they said that these are the everyday protection, it doesn't really make a lot of sense to me, because when I hear everyday, I think of like everyday liners or something that you wear not on your period. So I don't know if they meant that these are panty liners or just pads that you would wear on your period when your period isn't heavy. These look a lot like the other pads, but they're smaller. So this is the heavy flow pad, and then this is the everyday. So the only thing that I have to say is that I don't think that having a bigger pad would necessarily help you on your heavier days. A thicker pad will definitely help you out if you have a heavier period. I don't know, it just feels really, really, really small. But of course, these are designed for middle school girls, so. Okay, and then these are the overnight pads. This is what they look like. This is I think this is probably the biggest package out of everything that we've seen. So this probably means that those pads are more absorbent. Yeah, these look like normal pads. As you can see, these are way bigger than the other ones. So the next thing, and this thing I actually really like about their period kit, is the fact that they have this little card that has the female anatomy on it. I think that this was really smart of this organization to include, because learning about female anatomy is really important, and it really isn't taught to an extent in school. But this is very informative, and I think that this is a really great educational tool. So props to RedDrop for making one of these. And then the last thing that they included was this little friendship bracelet, and it says collect all 6. So there are 6 bracelets you can get, and it just says smart on it, which I think is really cute. This will not fit on my wrist, but it is really cute, and I definitely think that they put a lot of thought and care into this period kit. So I think overall this company is really great for any girls who are just getting their period or just now learning about their period. These products are definitely engineered and designed for a younger anatomy, which is incredible that they are planning and structuring and designing products specifically for younger girls. I don't really see that a lot in the industry, the period industry, so props to them again. My only issue was with describing what pads they actually included, because they use the word daily or everyday, and everyday to me doesn't sound like period everyday or your period days. It sounds like every single day. So I would recommend that they specify that the normal pads, the black and white pads with a little pink strip, are for the days on your period that aren't super heavy. They put a lot of thought into these products, and I think that that's really important to stress. Again, my favorite part probably of the entire thing is this anatomy card. I cannot stress enough how important it is for everybody, not just girls, to learn about the anatomy in general, not just female anatomy, but anatomy in general. But especially girls who have their period and don't even know what their own anatomy looks like, how it works, how it functions, how it helps their body. So I'm so happy that they did this. It's really helpful and really informative. If you are interested in purchasing this really awesome period kit from RedDrop, I will link their Instagram and website down below, so please go check them out. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video, but I did want to mention really quickly that Ladies of Lavender is officially coming back to donations. We are finally accepting donations again. It has been very long since we've been able to do donation drives and such. So we work through the Altamont School based in Birmingham, Alabama, and that's where we will have our drives. And any students of Altamont who are watching this, you can donate period products to 2 locations, the front doors and the Orange Bowl. Now, if any of you are not associated with the school or live out of state, but you would really like to donate some period products to us, there is ways that you can do that. Just send us an email and we will let you know what works best for you. Alright, so on that note, follow us on Instagram. Our Instagram is at Ladies of Lavender. We post every week to give you guys a heads up on what video we are posting for the week. But we also started donations, like I said. So it's really important that you follow us on Instagram to find out our scheduling for donations. And if you have any period related questions or questions about this product, you can DM us on Instagram at Ladies of Lavender, or you could shoot us an email at ladiesoflavender20@gmail.com. There is a little icon in our Instagram bio that you can press and immediately send us an email. So I would definitely recommend that if you're trying to get in touch with us. Or you could always leave a comment down below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have, you're a real one. That's it for today's video. I'll see you next week.